Guys, let's talk about AMC. I'm scrolling through YouTube right now, and I see all of the AMC stock videos that are in the rankings. Those that YouTube, for some reason, is promoting right now. And let's talk about what those are really quick, and then we'll actually talk about AMC, because these videos are very funny. They're talking about AMC YouTubers, or bashing other AMC YouTubers, or it's people saying, I told you so. I told you 6 months ago that AMC was going to be at $15 a share, and look where it is today. Well, look, guys, I can make a prediction too and tell you that AMC is going to go to $1,000 per share and then wait, like, I don't know, 40 or 50 years, and if one day it reaches $1,000 a share, I told you so. Guys, let's stop all the drama. Let's talk about AMC, where we're at, and the potential. So if it all sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing and don't know how or where to buy stocks, make sure you use the link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. $100 deposit is going to get you at least 3 free stocks right now, and then any $1 crypto trade is going to get you your choice of $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys want an exclusive crypto exchange, you can use Crypto.com, Binance, Gemini, that's also in the description. Let's talk about AMC, guys. Let's not talk about somebody else that's talking about AMC. Let's not talk about what we expected AMC to do 6 months ago. Let's talk about what AMC is doing right now, why this is going to be a very big day tomorrow, and what it could lead to later on this week. So I believe we have to keep the focus on why we're in AMC in the first place. Plain and simple, it's a short squeeze. Now, if you guys don't know what a short squeeze is by now, briefly explain it to you. I'm not going to say you've been here or you haven't been here long enough, whatever. Everybody's welcome. A short squeeze simply means that the short shares that are outstanding, somebody that sold AMC before they owned it, they are required to buy it back. And when they do, they have to offer you the price. If you don't accept the price goes up. So they offer and offer and offer, and if we're unwilling to accept, the price goes higher. And that added demand from them buying back those shares is what drives the price higher or squeezes the price higher when those shorts cover. So now that you've got that down, let's talk about why tomorrow is so big. Because yes, we have been bouncing off annual lows. We haven't seen prices this low since May of 2021, and a lot of people are getting discouraged and upset about AMC being the price that it is right now. Well, I'm here to tell you that we are still in better shape than we have ever been before. Okay, when we had a high price back in June, that was a retail run-up. That was retail jumping on board, thinking that they were going to hit it big with some pump-and-dump scheme. Well, they started to fall off, and yes, as retail leaves, as all of these emotional traders leave, the price has fallen alongside of it. What else do we have? A market that is very scared right now. What are they afraid of? The overall market is afraid of interest rates and inflation. Sorry, I got a hair like messing with me. Interest rates and inflation. Now, tomorrow could be a big day. We've got the Federal Reserve speaking tomorrow, and although I do not believe they're going to raise interest rates tomorrow because they made it very clear they won't start that until March, what can we expect to be expected tomorrow? Now, if the Federal Reserve, if Jerome Powell gets up there and says, or offers any sort of clarity about what the Federal Reserve expects to do with interest rates, I believe that will be a very bullish sign for the market. If we see the Federal Reserve come out and say, this is what we plan to do it here, and we plan to start in March, that certainty is going to drive away some of the thought, some of that fear, some of that uncertainty, and some of the doubt surrounding interest rates and inflation. If that happens, we could see a bounce back. Now, I say if that happens, because if the Fed just goes along and does what they already said they were going to do, then, we're going to have to wait until March for some clarity on how much they're going to raise interest rates by and how often they will be raising interest rates by. Why does this matter for AMC? Because For so long, guys, everybody's had a differing opinion, which is good. But for so long, everybody said a market crash will be great for AMC because only the apes hold AMC. And if the market crashes, the hedge funds will lose money and they'll be more likely to be margin called. Well, it's becoming very clear that only apes are not the ones holding AMC. Traditional investors were holding AMC as well, and they sold off as the market sold off. So with that being known, if the Federal Reserve tomorrow kind of clears up some of these fears, we could absolutely see investors pour back into AMC. Why? Because they like the attention, they like the momentum, and they believe it could go higher. Now from there, what else do we have coming up this week? The 1-year anniversary of Robinhood showing who they truly are is coming up on Friday. I believe it's Friday. Now, with the buy button being taken away, and GameStop and AMC absolutely just revolutionizing the world back in late January of 2021, hopefully, and I say hopefully because if we get a combination of these things happening, if we get the Federal Reserve offering some clarity and people starting to get more comfortable and pouring back into the market, if that coincides with a hyped anniversary or an excitement surrounding the anniversary of AMC moving 1 year ago, we could absolutely see a run-up in AMC. Now, I'm not going to sit here and ever predict that on Friday we're going to see a run-up or next week we're going to see a run-up because I have no crystal ball. I don't think anybody knows not even technical analysis can tell you where a stock is going to go. It can tell you what's likely to happen. So knowing that nobody knows what's next for any individual stock, for any market, or so on, all we can do is lay the, foundation for what to expect. And if all of these things fall into place for AMC, I absolutely think that we could get a run up. Now, I want to know what you guys think. Okay, because we got a lot on our plates. This Federal Reserve meeting tomorrow is going to be bigger than a lot of people anticipate, especially if we get some clarity out of them. The 1-year anniversary coming up is no small ordeal. It could be very big. So I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. I see the hate out there, guys. Show everybody some love. Encourage us. Just make us better investors. Encourage us to continue holding and just, achieve what we set out to achieve. And if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. If you guys are looking for brokers, you can use Webull, Crypto.com, Binance, and Gemini down in the description. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.